Both sequences show the installation of two directly comparable cooling circuits. On the right, you see a conventional stainless steel system which will be post-insulated. On the left, a pre-insulated CoolFit system. On the left, the CoolFit pipe is having the insulation removed using the GF foam removal tool, and the internal pressure pipe outer surface is being prepared for electrofusion welding, while on the right, the riser pipe is being prepared for welding. The CoolFit 2.0 riser is ready for installation. The T-fitting and flange connection are already mounted and will later be welded in the assembled position. On the right, in the conventional installation, the flange adapter is welded onto the pipe. In the CoolFit 2.0 installation, the horizontal distribution pipeline is already being installed. Insert, clamp, and start. CoolFit 2.0 electrowelding is so easy. The welding of a DN50 fitting takes only 72 seconds. It even leaves the CoolFit team time to take a coffee break. While the final assembly steps are in progress on the left, the horizontal distribution lines are still being crimped in the conventional system. The media pipe, insulation, and outer jacket are combined as one product. Assembly takes just a few quick steps. The CoolFit installation is completed. The usual post-insulation process is just starting now.